Hey y'all, my name is Crystal Linhart. In this picture, it's me and my husband. We have been married. In March will be 9 years. We have been together for over 11. We met in college. Number one thing that's important for our family is God. Number two is our family. We work hard. Both of us work hard for our family. I am a recovery support specialist in a rehab center called Bridges to Recovery in Lawton, Oklahoma. My husband is a ranch hand. We have a family ranch that has been passed down generation to generation in his family. He takes care of over 3,000 acres, and I couldn't tell you how many head of cows. But number one thing for us is to teach our son about God and family. This is a picture on the left of him when he was starting kindergarten. He takes a picture with his cows every first day of school. He is in first grade. May the 7th he will be turning 7. After he went to school for pre-K, he came back home and told me that he didn't need to go back to school, that he was going to quit, and he was going to be a working man. The middle picture is him working. He works hard as any of us. He is so silly and funny, and he is the best blessing that God has gave us. On the right, I try to teach him kindness and love. When there are wildflowers growing, we pick flowers for our grandmothers and great-grandmothers. And this bouquet he actually picked and brought to me. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to get to know all of y'all.